How to unlink Rockstar account from Steam. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up Social Club account, and here when you go on your linked accounts, basically when you click on this option of settings, and here on the linked accounts you won't be able to find the Steam account. So basically you will have to open up your profile again and go to this option of help, then click on this option of support, and here we will just click on this option of Social Club. Now we need to click on this option of Social Club account, and here click on this option of account linking, and now we need to type our nickname of Social Club, and here we need to type the description, but also make sure that you add your Steam ID over here, then explain that you want to unlink your Rockstar account from Steam, and this way the support will be able to help you out, and you need to just click on this option of submit web ticket in order to get it passed to the support, and this way you would be able to unlink your Rockstar account from Steam. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.